Hi, hello. Welcome to back your channel. In this video, we are explain a beginner's guide to Indian coin collection. Tips. Types. How to get started.
Coin collecting is more than a hobby, it's a way to connect with history, culture, and even art. Each coin tells a story about the time it was minted, the people who used it, and the events that shaped its era. For many collectors, it's not just about the coin's value but about preserving pieces of history.
Now, let's look at some popular categories of Indian coins you might want to start with. Each type has its unique charm and appeal. Types of Indian coins to collect. Ancient coins. British India coins. Post-independence coins. Commemorative coins. First up, we have ancient Indian coins. These coins date back to dynasties like the Maurya, Gupta, and Mughal empires. Due to their age, they can be rare and expensive, but they offer a fascinating glimpse into early Indian civilization. Next, we have British India coins. These coins were minted between the 18th and mid-20th centuries and feature portraits of British monarchs like Queen Victoria and King George VI. Collectors value them for their historical significance and unique designs. After India's independence in 1947, a new era of coinage began. Collecting post-independence coins is popular among beginners because they are easier to find, affordable, and have beautiful designs that reflect India's journey as a nation. Commemorative coins are issued to honor significant events, leaders, or cultural themes. These limited edition coins are often beautifully designed and are prized by collectors for their artistic and historical value. Some notable examples include the 1964 Jawaharlal Nehru commemorative coin and the 2010 Commonwealth Games coin. Now that you know the types of coins you can collect, here are some tips to get your collection started on the right foot. It's best to start small. Begin with coins that are affordable and accessible, like post-independence coins. You can gradually expand your collection as you learn more about the types of coins you're passionate about. Understanding coin grading is essential. Coins are graded based on their condition, from worn to mint condition. The better the grade, the higher the value. Learning the basics of coin grading will help you evaluate coins accurately and avoid overpaying. There are many places to find coins, from local coin shops to online marketplaces like eBay or OLX. You can also attend coin shows or auctions to meet other collectors and discover unique finds. Just remember to verify the authenticity of any coin before you buy. Keeping an inventory of your collection helps you track what you have, note the condition, and record the coin's values over time. This can be a simple notebook, spreadsheet, or even a coin collecting app that helps you organize your collection efficiently. Proper care is key to maintaining the value of your collection. Let's go over some do's and don'ts for coin care. Do's and don'ts. 1. Avoid cleaning coins. 2. Store coins properly. 3. Handle coins carefully. 4. Building your knowledge. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is cleaning coins. Cleaning can damage the surface and reduce the value. It's best to leave coins in their natural state. Store your coins in coin holders, albums, or special boxes designed to protect them from dust, moisture, and handling. Always keep them in a dry, cool place to avoid tarnishing. When handling coins, always hold them by the edges to avoid fingerprints, oils, or scratches. Wearing cotton gloves is also a good practice for more valuable coins. Finally, knowledge is key in coin collecting. The more you know, read books on Indian coins, join online coin forums, and consider joining coin clubs, where you can learn from experienced collectors and get valuable insights. The better decisions you'll make when adding coins to your collection. Collect the valuable coins and get to rich. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.